Hey again, folks. Yes, this is the same place, and I'm done 3 videos at the same place at the same time, same day. Hallelujah. I just wanted to have a little bit of fun right now. This might be interesting, and to be honest, I wonder, see if y'all hear anything in this of what we're getting a lot of times from the fake news, the mainstream media. It just takes a story and makes it up. Or like I heard recently that the news anchor said there's no evidence of what the court said is true. However that works, I don't know. But anyway, here goes. It's called The Duel by Eugene Field. Born September 3rd, 1850. Died November 4th, 1895. The Duel. The gingham dog and the calico cat, side by side on the table sat. 'Twas 12:30, and what do you think? Nor one nor t'other had slept a wink. The old Dutch clock and the Chinese plate appeared to know as sure as fate there was going to be a terrible spat. I wasn't there. I simply state what was told me by the Chinese plate. The gingham dog went, bow wow, wow, and the calico cat replied, meow. The air was littered an hour or so with bits of gingham and calico, while the old Dutch clock in the chimney place, up with its hands before its face, where it always dreaded a family row. Never mind. I'm only telling you what the old Dutch clock declares is... Never mind. I'm only telling you what the old Dutch clock declares is true. The Chinese plate looked very blue and wailed, oh dear, what shall we do? But the gingham dog and the calico cat wallowed this way and tumbled that, employing every tooth and claw in the awfulest way you ever saw. And oh, how the gingham and calico flew. Don't fancy I exaggerate. I got my news from the Chinese plate. Next morning, where the two had sat, they found no trace of dog or cat, and some folks think unto this day that burglars stole that pair away. But the truth about the cat and pup is this: they ate each other up. Now, what do you really think of that? The old Dutch clock, it told me so, and that is how I came to know. So, I just wanted to share that with y'all and have some fun. I hope y'all are blessed and it brought you some joy and laughter. God bless you.